Welcome! In today's digital world, building a personal brand online is more important than ever. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a creative, or a professional, your online presence can open doors to new opportunities. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to create and grow your personal brand online. We'll cover everything from defining your unique identity to choosing the right platforms and engaging with your audience. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to stand out in the crowded digital space. Let's get started by understanding what personal branding really means and why it matters in today's connected world. A personal brand is more than just a logo or a catchy tagline. It's the unique combination of skills, experiences, and personality that you want the world to see. Think of it as your digital reputation, how people perceive you when they come across your online profiles or content. Your personal brand should reflect your values, strengths, and passions. It's about being authentic and consistent, so others know what to expect from you. In the next scenes, we'll explore how to define your brand and communicate it effectively online. Personal branding is crucial because it helps you stand out in a crowded online world. With so many voices competing for attention, having a clear and consistent personal brand makes it easier for people to remember you and trust you. A strong personal brand can lead to new job offers, business opportunities, collaborations, and even speaking engagements. It also gives you control over your narrative, allowing you to shape how others perceive you. Next, let's dive into the first step, defining your unique value. The foundation of any personal brand is understanding what makes you unique. Start by identifying your core strengths, skills, and passions. Ask yourself, what do I do better than most people? What topics am I genuinely passionate about? What problems can I solve for others? Write down your answers and look for patterns. This self-awareness will help you craft a brand that feels authentic and resonates with your target audience. In the next scene, we'll talk about clarifying your target audience. Knowing who you want to reach is just as important as knowing yourself. Your personal brand should speak directly to a specific audience. Think about who would benefit most from your expertise or content. Are they young professionals, entrepreneurs, creatives, or another group? The more specific you are, the easier it will be to create content that resonates. Next, we'll look at how to craft your brand message to connect with your audience. Your brand message is the core statement that communicates who you are and what you offer. It should be clear, concise, and memorable. Think of it as your elevator pitch, something you could explain in a few sentences. Focus on the value you provide and how you help your audience. This message will guide all your online content and interactions. In the next scene, we'll discuss choosing the right platforms for your brand. Not every social media platform is right for every brand. Consider where your target audience spends their time. LinkedIn is great for professionals, Instagram for creatives, and Twitter for thought leaders. Focus on 2 or 3 platforms where you can consistently show up and engage. Setting up your profiles with consistent branding is key. Next, we'll explore how to optimize your online profiles for maximum impact. Your online profiles are often the first impression people have of you. Make sure your profile photos, bios, and banners are professional and aligned with your brand message. Use the same profile picture and similar bios across platforms for consistency. Include keywords related to your expertise so people can find you easily. In the next scene, we'll talk about creating valuable content that showcases your expertise. Content is the heart of your personal brand. Share your knowledge, insights, and experiences through posts, articles, videos, or podcasts. Focus on providing value to your audience, help them solve problems, learn something new, or get inspired. Consistency is key, so develop a content schedule you can stick to. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to engage with your audience and build relationships. Building a personal brand isn't just about broadcasting your message, it's about building relationships. Respond to comments, answer questions, and join conversations in your niche. Show genuine interest in your followers and support others in your community. This engagement builds trust and loyalty, making your brand more memorable. Next, let's look at the importance of networking online. Networking is a powerful way to grow your personal brand. Connect with other professionals, influencers, and thought leaders in your field. Collaborate on projects, share each other's content, and attend virtual events or webinars. These connections can lead to new opportunities and help you reach a wider audience. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of authenticity in personal branding. Authenticity is at the core of a strong personal brand. People are drawn to those who are genuine and transparent. Share your successes, but also your challenges and lessons learned. Don't try to be someone you're not. Embrace your unique story and perspective. Authenticity builds trust and sets you apart from others. Next, we'll explore how to maintain consistency across your online presence. Consistency is key to building a recognizable personal brand. Use the same profile, photo, color scheme, and tone of voice across all your platforms. Post regularly and stick to your brand message. This helps people recognize you instantly and builds credibility over time. In the next scene, we'll talk about the importance of storytelling in personal branding. Storytelling is a powerful way to connect with your audience, share personal experiences, challenges, and successes to make your brand relatable. Stories help people remember you and feel emotionally connected to your journey. Use storytelling in your posts, videos, and even your bio. Next, we'll discuss how to leverage visuals to enhance your personal brand. Visual content grabs attention and reinforces your brand identity. Use high-quality images, graphics, and videos that align with your brand colors and style. Visual consistency across your platforms makes your brand more recognizable. Tools like Canva or Adobe Spark can help you create professional visuals even if you're not a designer. In the next scene, we'll look at how to monitor your online reputation. Your online reputation can make or break your personal brand. Regularly search your name and review what comes up. Set up Google Alerts to get notified when you're mentioned online. Address any negative feedback professionally and promptly. Protecting your reputation ensures that your brand remains trustworthy and respected. Next, we'll discuss how to adapt your brand as you grow. Personal brands are not static, they evolve as you gain new experiences and skills. Don't be afraid to update your brand message, visuals, or content focus as you grow. Share your journey and let your audience see your progress. This keeps your brand fresh and relevant. In the next scene, we'll talk about measuring your brand's impact online. It's important to track how your personal brand is performing online. Use analytics tools on social media platforms to monitor engagement, follower growth, and content reach. Pay attention to which posts resonate most with your audience. Use this data to refine your strategy and focus on what works. Next, let's explore the importance of continuous learning in personal branding. The digital landscape is always changing, so continuous learning is essential. Stay updated on the latest trends, tools, and best practices in personal branding. Take online courses, read industry blogs, and follow thought leaders. The more you learn, the more valuable your brand becomes. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to handle criticism and setbacks online. Not everyone will agree with you online, and that's okay. Criticism is part of building a public presence. Respond to negative comments professionally and avoid getting defensive. Use constructive feedback to improve, and don't let trolls derail your progress. Handling criticism with grace shows maturity and strengthens your brand. Next, let's look at the power of collaboration in personal branding. Collaboration can take your personal brand to new heights. Partner with others on projects, guest post on blogs, or co-host webinars. These collaborations introduce you to new audiences and add credibility to your brand. Look for opportunities to work with people who share your values and vision. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to showcase your achievements online. Don't be shy about sharing your accomplishments. Highlight awards, certifications, successful projects, or testimonials on your profiles and in your content. This builds trust and shows your expertise. Just remember to stay humble and let your work speak for itself. Next, we'll talk about the importance of giving back to your community. A strong personal brand isn't just about self-promotion, it's about making a positive impact. Share helpful resources, mentor others, or support causes you care about. Giving back builds goodwill and strengthens your reputation. It also creates a sense of purpose and fulfillment. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to stay motivated on your branding journey. Building a personal brand takes time and effort. There will be ups and downs, but persistence is key. Set realistic goals, celebrate small wins, and remind yourself why you started. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage your growth. In the next scene, we'll talk about the importance of work-life balance while building your brand. It's easy to get caught up in building your online presence, but don't forget to take care of yourself. Set boundaries for screen time and make time for offline activities. A balanced life leads to better creativity and productivity. Remember, your well-being is just as important as your brand. Next, we'll discuss how to protect your privacy online. While sharing online is important, it's equally vital to protect your privacy. Be mindful of the personal information you share and adjust your privacy settings on social platforms. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Protecting your privacy keeps you safe and gives you peace of mind. In the next scene, we'll talk about the role of feedback in personal branding. Feedback is a valuable tool for growth. Ask your audience, peers, or mentors for honest feedback on your content and brand. Use their insights to improve and adapt. Being open to feedback shows that you're committed to growth and excellence. Next, we'll discuss how to stay true to your values while building your brand. Your values are the foundation of your personal brand. Stay true to what matters most to you, even if it means turning down opportunities that don't align with your principles. Authenticity and integrity will attract the right audience and partners. In the next scene, we'll talk about the importance of patience in building a personal brand. Personal branding is a marathon, not a sprint. Results may not come overnight, but with consistent effort, you'll see growth over time. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. Celebrate your progress and keep moving forward. In the next scene, we'll discuss how to handle online negativity and stay positive. The internet can be a tough place, and negativity is sometimes unavoidable. Don't take negative comments personally. Focus on constructive criticism and ignore trolls. Surround yourself with positive influences and remember your purpose. Staying positive helps you maintain your motivation and protects your mental health. Next, we'll talk about the importance of setting goals for your personal brand. Setting clear goals gives your personal brand direction and purpose. Decide what you want to achieve, whether it's growing your audience, landing a new job, or becoming a thought leader. Break your goals into actionable steps and track your progress. Clear goals keep you focused and motivated. In the next scene, we'll discuss the value of celebrating your milestones. Every achievement, big or small, is worth celebrating. Recognize your progress and reward yourself for reaching milestones. This keeps you motivated and reminds you how far you've come. Share your wins with your audience to inspire others on their own branding journeys. Next, we'll talk about the importance of staying adaptable in the digital world. The online world changes quickly, and adaptability is crucial. Be open to new platforms, trends, and ways of connecting with your audience. Experiment with different content formats and strategies. Staying flexible ensures your personal brand remains relevant and effective. In the next scene, we'll discuss the importance of building a supportive network. Surround yourself with people who support your goals and values. Join online communities, mastermind groups, or networking events. A supportive network provides encouragement, feedback, and new opportunities. Remember, personal branding is not a solo journey. In the next scene, we'll talk about the power of sharing your knowledge. One of the best ways to build your brand is by sharing what you know. Teach others through tutorials, webinars, or blog posts. Sharing knowledge positions you as an expert and builds trust with your audience. It also helps you give back and make a positive impact. Next, we'll discuss how to stay inspired and creative. Creativity keeps your personal brand fresh and engaging. Find inspiration from other creators, nature, or everyday experiences. Experiment with new ideas and formats to keep your content exciting. Staying inspired helps you avoid burnout and keeps your audience interested. In the next scene, we'll talk about the importance of self-reflection. Regular self-reflection helps you stay aligned with your goals and values. Take time to review your progress, celebrate your successes, and identify areas for improvement. Self-reflection ensures that your personal brand continues to grow in the right direction. Next, we'll discuss the importance of gratitude in your branding journey. Gratitude goes a long way in building a positive personal brand. Thank your audience, collaborators, and mentors for their support. Expressing gratitude builds stronger relationships and encourages others to support your journey. In the next scene, we'll talk about the importance of having a long-term vision for your brand. A successful personal brand is built with a long-term vision in mind. Think about where you want to be in 5 or 10 years. Set big picture goals and make decisions that move you closer to your vision. A long-term perspective helps you stay focused and motivated even when challenges arise. Next, we'll discuss the importance of celebrating others' successes. Supporting and celebrating others in your community strengthens your network and builds goodwill. Congratulate peers on their achievements and share their successes with your audience. This generosity creates a positive environment and encourages collaboration. In the next scene, we'll talk about the importance of being proactive in your branding efforts. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you, create them. Reach out to potential collaborators, pitch your ideas, and take initiative in your field. Being proactive shows confidence and ambition, and it often leads to exciting new possibilities. Next, we'll discuss the importance of documenting your journey. Sharing your journey, including the ups and downs, makes your brand relatable and inspiring. Document your progress through blogs, vlogs, or social media updates. This transparency builds trust and allows your audience to connect with your story. In the next scene, we'll talk about the importance of staying humble. No matter how successful your personal brand becomes, humility is essential. Acknowledge the help and support you've received along the way, stay open to learning, and be willing to admit mistakes. Humility makes you approachable and respected in your community. Next, we'll discuss the importance of enjoying the process. Building a personal brand is a journey, not just a destination. Enjoy the process of learning, growing, and connecting with others. Celebrate your progress and have fun along the way. A positive attitude makes the journey more rewarding and sustainable. In our final scene, we'll summarize the key steps to building your personal brand online. Congratulations! You've learned the essential steps to create a personal brand online. Define your unique value, clarify your audience, craft your message, choose the right platforms, and engage authentically. Remember to stay consistent, adapt as you grow, and enjoy the journey. Building a personal brand takes time, but with persistence and passion, you'll make a lasting impact. Start today and watch your online presence flourish. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your personal branding journey.